In the quest for air superiority, the U.S. Air Force is exploring revolutionary concepts for its next generation of fighter jets. One of the most ambitious projects is the Next Generation Air Dominance Platform, a sixth-generation fighter set to push technological boundaries beyond the F-35. This aircraft is designed to integrate advanced technologies like artificial intelligence, hypersonic speeds, and stealth capabilities. Unlike earlier fighters, next-generation air dominance will potentially be modular, allowing for rapid updates in response to evolving threats. What makes this concept especially intriguing is the integration of manned and unmanned platforms. Next-generation air dominance is likely to work in conjunction with loyal wingman drones, autonomous or semi-autonomous systems that can perform missions alongside human pilots, providing additional firepower and reconnaissance capabilities without putting more lives at risk. Cost, however, remains a challenge. While the F-35 has been criticized for its high price tag, NGAD aims to incorporate cost-effective elements through digital design and manufacturing techniques. But the delicate balance between capability and affordability remains a key factor. Furthermore, the Air Force is betting on collaborative combat aircraft that can be deployed in large numbers. These cheaper, disposable jets are intended to counter advanced enemy defenses and missile swarms, providing air dominance at a fraction of the cost of traditional manned fighters. This bold vision marks a potential shift in how air power will be projected in the coming decades, focusing on quantity, speed of production, and cutting-edge automation to maintain dominance in increasingly contested skies.
Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon if you like our content.